Alright, so my PS3, which is a 40 gig old school fatness, I've got the yellow light of death, and we're going to attempt to fix this mojo. We got one screw out. One screw is out. Woo-hoo!
For the time that's gone, have I wasted time? Have I took too long? Something's not right, have I put a foot wrong? Explain to me what's going on. Cause I used to have friends oh so close. Cracks in my friendship left man bro. This ain't an emotion I ain't wanna show, but it's hard when you're standing alone. I think I'm in need of a healing touch. I got faith that I still got luck, but positive vibes just won't stay stuck. For me this is all too much. I'm standing on my own. I'm feeling down the phone. I'm feeling down the phone. Won't you listen to me? So hear me out. Nobody's reaching out, I'm freaking out. I'm speaking out, so hear me out. Can you hear me shouting out? Yo, I'm trying to make up for the days I've missed. Open my eyes, not close my lids. Told me this here's one of them tricks. Didn't even get no goodbye kiss. No, this is way too weird. Cause before I had no fear, everything was cool at first. Now I'm shaking, way too scared. No, don't leave me here. My heart beats racing, feed me here. Back is hurting, and left no chair.
Motherfucker! Yes! Woo! Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up! Nah man, it fucking works, alright? Fuck you.